Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We're going to take a scrap piece of wood and a paint stick and trace out our paint stick. And then we're going to use this color, it's called Warm Buff. It's like a light khaki. We're going to make a scarecrow, but it's going to be different than what we've done in the past. So we painted the bottom half light khaki and then we add some Mod Podge. I did leave a little bit of a space so that I can add some hair and some hot glue to put our fabric over here in a second. I used raffia for the hair and I just did both sides in some bangs. And then I add hot glue and I cut out my fabric. I did add a couple drops of hot glue around the edges as well. And then I just trimmed all around the piece of scrap wood. Now we're going to scrunch a piece of fabric over top of this paint stick and we're just going to make it look ruffled as we glue it down. I think it's super cute, and then we're going to just put that right over and make the brim of our hat. I used buttons for the eyes, and then I took a popsicle stick and cut it and used some antique wax for the nose. I did sand the edges so it wasn't sharp. And then I'm taking this very thin rusty wire and I'm curling the edges of it. Oh yeah, I added cheeks because I wanted the rusty wire to go over top of the little cheeks. I used real blush, and then I'm going to add a couple staples into our rusty wire to hold it in place. I curled the rusty wire a little bit with the end of a paintbrush. Very easy to maneuver. And then I added some Quick and Thick to the nose as well as some hot glue and put that on. I do throw a couple little freckles in there with white paint as well that you might see later in the videos and photos. Then we get out our bow dabra and some bow wire, and we are going to use some different things. So I have some ribbon first, and then I had denim jeans that I've been cutting up and using, some fabric, some different things. I like these colors all together, so use whatever you like. And then we're just going to glue that down and then fluff it out. I did have a wooden heart that I antique waxed just like the nose. And then I trimmed up the bow. I angled some of the pieces and left some of them plain. And then I take a piece of burlap and then a piece of fabric and I fray the edges and sand them. I got me a button, glued it all down. You guys, how cute! And she is sitting with the other little guy that I made as well. Oh my goodness. She's so stinking cute. I love making these. These are so simple, sweet, and easy and cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.